Welcome back to my channel, Dooney Addicts. Let's dive into a weekly card for the holiday Headstart sale. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so very much for joining. If you are a returning subscriber, you are in the right place to begin building your holiday cart and making some purchases before these deals expire. I do have affiliate links down below. Some of these prices are buy now. And the first is the Florentine double zip wristlet. This is the best price this item has been at since it released at $55 with the promo code Headstart. I've added an additional black in my cart for gifting and another Florentine red because the one I have is gonna have a rough life, so before it disappears I'm going to just pick up a second one, and then the black for holiday gifting. The next is the Florentine small coin case at $25 price point. If you do not have these, if you do not have all the colors, if you're looking for a dirty Santa, a secret Santa, a gift for someone in the office, not looking to spend very much money, but a high quality, very thoughtful gift, I would recommend the Florentine small coin cases. I'd also recommend these as a pickup if you have any Florentine in your collection and you do not have a small coin case to pair with your bag or other accessories. The $25 price point is a pick it up now price. I have the black in my cart. I also have the brown Timoro. I should probably also put a chestnut in there. I think they have chestnut available so that it can pair with some of my newer Florentine additions. The next is the Florentine large framed purse. I have these in my cart for the exact same reason I just mentioned the small coin cases. They just pair perfectly. I am still living in my red Florentine large framed purse because I use those now as the perfect tech pouch in my bags. It holds all of the cords, the cables. I have an extra roller ball of perfume that fits in there. I have some cash, a couple of extra business cards, a couple of safety pins, because you never know when you're going to need one of those. But after years of having the large framed purse in my stash, not being really sure how to use it, having some of that childhood trauma that we've all talked about previously in lives, I decided that this pouch is dedicated to my tech and then a couple of miscellaneous. So a black will of course go with everything, and then a natural colored Florentine, which I also have. Those are perfect pickups at a $39 price point. The Florentine large slim wristlet. This is a little, this piece is a little controversial for me because I still have not figured out how to use it. But at a $45 price point and it's Florentine, how can I say no? Leave a comment down below and let me know how you pack and use your Florentine large slim wristlets. The Florentine Saddle Bag is a fairly new release. It is $115. I picked it up in the color red because I know that if I don't get red, then it will prompt me to go back and pick up red as a second purchase. So instead of buying a different color first and then having to go back for the red, I've placed the red in my cart as an initial purchase. $115. The Pebble grain Tasha Drawstring, I've been talking about this bag off and on for months. It was weighing heavy on my handbag heart back in the spring and early summer, but this is the best price that I have seen it at $139. It is something about this bone color and seeing the beautiful chocolate complexion model in her cream attire with this bag on her shoulder that has just taken me out. $139. It's finally coming home. The Pebble grain business card case, $19. It has some great organization. You could use this as a smaller card case in your smaller bags. If you know a small business owner that still prints paper or, traditional business cards. This would be great for them. This would also be good for a teen, maybe that doesn't carry much. Maybe they've got their school ID, maybe a debit or like a Cash App card and then some cash. This would be perfect for them, or even those that are carrying a smaller bag that only need the essentials. The next is the Concord Accessories credit card holder. I recently showed this during a Feed Your Addiction. It is now $35. They do have 2 colors available. I recommend this as a unisex gift. It's perfect for men, of course, as a wallet, but it works beautifully for smaller handbag carries as well. The next is the Pebble Grain Clutch Wallet. I was late to the party, tardy to the party when all of my tribe sisters were picking up the Pebble Grain Clutch Wallet. I was lucky enough much later to pick up one in the color red. I've shared it on my channel before, but when I did, there were so many of you that commented that you also missed this purchase. So it is back. There are a few colors available, but the bone is the one that caught my attention. At $89, it has a flap closure at the front that has a little bit of gusset on the side, so you could throw your cell phone in there, maybe a lippy, an ink pen, but then it has a zip around wallet on the back so that you can hold all of your cards and things that you'd like to keep secure. The Pebble Grain Lexi crossbody. I like this because it is a perfect pair. You get not only Lexi, but you get the small coin case. It's available in 2 colors, the Caribbean blue, and then I think the other one is bone or cream. Cut the straps off of Lexi, add a chain strap, and she is going to be your perfect evening day clutch. Just a great carry. Again, $85 with the promo code Headstart. Next is the Tucker Small Hobo. This buffalo check is just classic winter holiday Christmas. It's available in both black and red. The Tucker Small Hobo is what I have here in my cart. There are several different bag and accessory options that are available in the return of the Tucker collection. Next, I have the Pebble Grain Twist Strap Hobo, $139. If memory serves me correctly, this is the best price that the Pebble Grain Twist Strap Hobo has been this year. The color bone gives me all of the crisp winter chic vibes, and it's going to also be perfect for spring and summer. So a great year-round carry. That bone has a little bit of a vanilla twist to it. It's not a stark white. It is going to be gorgeous with your camel colored coats, as well as in the spring and summer of the year with your maxi dresses and sandals. So that's it. Let me know what you think of this cart. Again, I hope that you are starting to build your shopping carts and pull the triggers. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you pack your Florentine large slim wristlet. I continue to struggle with that piece, but I know when I figure it out, it is going to be like the large framed purse. It is going to be absolutely perfect, and it will become a permanent accessory for all of my bags because I have them in virtually every color. They are available in Florentine. Again, affiliate links down below for ease of shopping. Thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned for my next weekly cart because we're going to separate the Headstart promo code from the Black Friday deals so that you can see what the prices are in the cart. Thank you so very much for watching. Until next time, I do hope you find something that feeds your addiction. Take care.